Well, here we are, 2 years later, and it's raining again. Still just over there by the road. Oh my goodness, what in the world? Stuff popping up on my phone. Weird. Here, let's get this. And it looks like the same problems from 2 years ago I'm having as well. What is this? Okay, so focus over there. Get that away from it. Can this, like, actually do something here? What is happening? Oh my gosh, stop doing that. Just zoom out. Literally. Camera makes no sense how it works. Gotta turn the brightness down because this massive white, overcast, rainy, cloudy stuff up here is too bright. Really starting to come down on the window and everything. This video is not going to be quite as long as 2016, 2 years ago video. Probably put a link to that video in the description. I might though, I'm not sure. Because most of the time whenever I say I'm going to put a link in the description, I just either A, get too lazy and don't do it, or B, I forget about it, or C, I just don't care, and D, all the above. Yep. It's the first good rain that we've had over here, just north of the Bay Area. It's the first good rain we've had since April. And here we are in November. The only time it rains over here is in April and like October, November, December. Like no other time of the year there's rain. Other times of the year it's just overcast, sunny, partly cloudy, this and that, and just whatever. But only a couple months out of the year it rains. Heater just turned off and it scared the crap out of me. Can't understand that there's a massive thing dripping water back there. Nice lights up there. Looking inside of the house, living room, kitchen over there. Bed. Everything. Presents for Christmas and whatever. Yeah. Is there literally a plane taxiing down at that runway? Just a couple miles that way. There's an airport down there. Is there really a plane taxiing and gonna take off in this weather? I guess so. Also, please forgive me for sounding like I have throat cancer, because I literally just woke up about 20 minutes ago, and I haven't said a single word for like 10 hours, so my voice is really not warmed up for this. I think I'll just do what I did last year and just stop at 5 minutes. Probably gonna run out of space in a minute here anyway, so better watch the time. No, that was just the fridge. Something dropped in the fridge, or something wasn't balanced in the fridge. Don't worry, my house is not like freaking haunted. Maybe it was. Maybe that was like Frank or something back there knocking on the fridge and the door or whatever. And if you have no clue who the heck Frank is, that's just something for some other series. But yeah, actually, like, my house isn't actually haunted. That's just a series, you know. Anyways, yeah, 5 minutes, so like, subscribe, rain and stuff. Yeah, bye.